Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX. Another video, another Pacific Atlantic hurricane season 2025 video, and let's get into this. We have tropical storm Amelia here, Sunday, September 28th, 2025, 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Intermedia advisory A. Center location 23.9 north, 77.3 west. Max sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. Movement at north at 7 miles per hour. Um, this is 95 miles, 95 or 155 kilometers per hour, or kilometers west northwest of central Bahamas, and it has a middle pressure of 998. So let's head over to discussion side. Oh yeah, right. Okay, I guess we'll just hop over. Here is our discussion zoomer from our side. 40 miles per hour with a 998. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that there's tropical storm watches in effect for Florida, and tropical storm warnings all for uh the Bahamas. So I would take that precaution, please. Anyway, as you can see, this is at 8 a.m. So this advisory discussion. 998 forecast to have 45, 60, 70 miles per hour as a tropical storm. 75, 85, 90 as a category 1 hurricane. Then extratropical. Um, as you can see, there's Humberto as a category 4 hurricane. Now I'm going to show the path of it weather-wise. So let's go over to your spaghetti malls. Bahamas, I got some words for you when I'm that portion. So here we are on WeatherWise with our spaghetti. But first, before we do that, half Alberto, and this is our storm right now. Alberto and Laminia, Inelia are overlapping each other, and it's not surprising that's happening right now. So, here's our spaghetti models. Now, a couple days ago, when we originally saw this as a post-tropical cyclone, or not post-tropical, but a potential tropical cyclone, it was posing a threat to South Carolina and was going to stall. Now we don't see that anymore because Umberto is coming, and it's coming in for what we like to call the Wojiwaga effect. But there's a little bit of some time frame in here. See, this is uh, uh, August, October 2nd. This is September. So the problem is these two are supposed to interact, I think, right now. This is what's happening with it. But I think this is when the interaction starts. So, yeah. But here's our spaghetti models. You can see that one model has it going all the way up to Pennsylvania. Models have it going out. Yeah. That's essentially all I have to say for this. But we'll look at that. As you can see, category 2, that's the, I don't trust those. So, yeah. I don't trust them. But yeah, um, Bahamas. I would keep a mind on this. You're about to get probably historical flash flooding. If you live on the Florida coast, you're gonna probably experience maybe some tropical force winds. Kind of why the hurricane tropical storm effect. Um, Daytona Beach all the way down to Jupiter Beach. So I would keep that aware. But yeah, that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.